Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to take 10 lines on volcanic eruption. 10 lines on volcanic eruption. Before I start, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions or recommendations, you can write them in the comments below. So, let's start. A volcano. A volcano erupts when magma rises to the surface of the earth. A volcano erupts when magma rises to the surface of the earth. Magma is molten rock. That is stored beneath the Earth's crust. That is stored beneath the Earth's crust. Magma is molten rock that is stored beneath the Earth's crust. When a volcano erupts, it can release ash, gas, and lava. When a volcano erupts, it can release ash, gas, and lava. Lava is extremely hot. And it can burn everything in its path. It can burn everything in its path. Lava is extremely hot and it can burn everything in its path. Volcanoes are found all over the world. Volcanoes are found all over the world. Both on land and under the sea. Volcanoes are found all over the world, both on land and under the sea. Volcanic eruptions Can it change the landscape? And create new landforms. Volcanic eruptions can change the landscape and create new landforms. Some volcanic eruptions are Some volcanic eruptions are explosive and others just release lava slowly, and others just release lava slowly. Some volcanic eruptions are explosive and others just release lava slowly. Volcanoes can also cause tsunamis and big waves in the sea. Volcanoes can also cause tsunamis, and big waves in the sea. Big waves in the sea. Volcanoes can also cause tsunamis and big waves in the sea. Volcanic eruptions can have a big impact on the environment and climate. Volcanic eruptions can have a big impact on the environment and climate. There are about 1,500 active volcanoes in the world today. There are about 1,500 active volcanoes in the world today. So this was today's lines on volcanic eruption. See you next time. Goodbye.